That's a real elephant?
It's not real.
Is it? I don't see it moving, Bella. I don't think it's real. Oh! It just moved! It just moved. It is real. Hey, what did you get?
Fruit, potatoes, bacon, eggs, and muffins.
Alright, and Leo, what did you get?
I got fruit, bacon, and egg, and a muffin.
Oh, are you hungry now too, miss? Alright, mommy's getting your plate. So after we eat breakfast, guys, we're gonna go and see the Easter Bunny over there. Then we have an egg hunt for the kids.
Yeah.
Are you excited for the egg hunt? Hi. Oh, you guys got Easter baskets. Well, what's in those Easter baskets?
Chocolate.
Oh, you got jelly beans. It looks like you got some binoculars, suckers. Oh, an airhead. Oh, you guys got some tattoos.
Me see. I saw an egg.
You saw an egg? Is it a golden egg? No, it's a black egg. Bella, why are you eating candy when we're eating breakfast right now? Do you have any dance moves? I don't think any of that's dancing, Leo. Just you. Look it! They're dancing. The frog and the bunny are dancing. Look at, they're waving.
Okay, right here is an octopus for you.
That is really cool. Oh, Evie really wants a balloon. You're gonna get a balloon, Evie.
Here's a very special rose for you. Put a bow on it there. We're good. Here is a little ladybug. That's all for you.
Look it. It's the Easter Bunny. Oh. Come see the Easter Bunny. That frog was not fake.
Yes, it was fake.
Was the bunny fake?
No, the frog was fake.
Look at the monkeys. Zach, you like the froggy? Yeah? All right, we gotta find eggs.
Found a pink one.
You found a pink one, Bella?
Yeah.
Look at all those eggs, Leo. Ooh, you guys both got a lot of eggs.
You want to hold your egg?
Wow, look at you. Where do you want to go? Uh-oh. She's on the move. Evie. What are you getting? That bird?
Yeah, and I got candy.
Are those eggs from the bird?
No.
Oh, where are those eggs from?
Yeah, Easter.
Oh, the Easter Bunny.
I got got more eggs. Look at my eggs. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna try this red one. The pink one. Okay, I got these ones.